This simple spray changed my hair game. Stronger roots, less shading, and shiny hair every day. Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY clove and rosemary hairspray using the infusion method. This spray has really helped my hair stay moisturized, soft and healthy. Let's begin with our ingredients. I'll be using clove and dry rosemary leaves. These two are powerful herbs for hair care, simple, affordable and full of benefits. Cloves helps to strengthen your hair from the roots, reduce breakage and add natural shine. They also help fight dandruff and keep your scalp clean. Rosemary leaves are known for stimulating the scalp, improving blood circulation and helping with hair growth. When these two come together, they create a natural infusion that your hair will absolutely love. I will start by adding my cloves and rosemary leaves into a clean jar. Then I will pour in some warm water, not boiling, just warm enough to help release the nutrients from the herbs. After that, I will cover the jar and let it infuse for about 24 hours. This slow infusion method helps the herbs release all their vitamins and minerals into the water. The next day, after infusion, I will strain the mixture so I can get a smooth liquid without any particles. This makes it easy to use in a spray bottle. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like. It really encourages me to keep sharing more. Now, this part is optional, but I like to add few drops of essential oil, like tea tree oil. This gives the spray a nice refreshing scent and add extra benefits for the scalp. Pour my infused spray into a clean spray bottle. You can store yours in a fridge for up to a week to keep it fresh. Just make sure to shake it gently before every use. Now let's apply it. I love using this spray when my hair feels dry or when I'm moisturizing my braids. I start by spraying the mixture directly on my scalp and along my hair strands, especially focusing on the ends. That's where dryness happens the most. After spraying, I take a few minutes to massage my scalp. Scalp massages are so important. They help to increase blood flow and allow the nutrients to reach the root of your hair, encouraging growth. combination. I will be using my DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil. This oil helps to lock in hydration, add shine and protect the hair from dryness. It's perfect combination with this spray. The two work beautifully together for strong, healthy and moisturized hair. Please remember, consistency is the secret to healthy hair. Try using this spray 3 to 4 times a week and always sealing with your oil or hair butter afterwards. Over time, you will notice less breakage, more shine and healthier scalp. Don't give up on your hair journey even if progress feels slow. Every little step counts and your hair will definitely reward you for the love and care you give it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who loves natural hair care, and subscribe for more easy and effective hair growth recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Let's keep growing and caring for our hair naturally.